Hey guys, good morning and welcome to today's live. I'm super excited to be here. My name is Angie Norris, and as we get started with today's live training, I want to welcome some people into this live episode. So we have some people that I'm looking at the comments over here that are starting to come in, and I want you guys to hashtag live if you're watching this live here with me today as we go through some pretty cool things, and I can't wait to show you. Or maybe you're watching this on the replay. Let me know where you're tuning in from because I just love thinking and dreaming about traveling. I used to love to travel when I was younger. Now that I have kids and I'm busy and I'm bogged down, I'm not able to go. So I got to live through you guys. So please drop those into the comments. So today, what are we going to be talking about? Well, this is going to be cool, a little more advanced, but I think you guys are going to love it and it's going to blow your mind. Real-time updates. And you're probably wondering, what is that? Don't worry, I'm going to explain what it is. I'm going to show you live here today what you can do. The power of ClickDesigns, how you can add some of your designs into your page builders, whether it is Groove or GoHighLevel or ClickDesigns or WordPress or any of the many builders out there, right? You can add your designs. You can edit and update those designs inside of ClickDesigns. Never have to leave ClickDesigns to make that go live on your website. And I know that was hard to follow. It's okay. I'm going to show you it in action so you guys can see. I'm going to create some graphics, put them on a web page, and then we're going to change those out and you're going to see the changes. It's going to be really cool. I love this. This was like mind-blowing to me. Thank you to Kevin Stripe for actually pointing this feature out. And so I'm excited to show you guys today what this is going to look like for me and then how you guys can use it for yourself. So let's jump into the software now and let's get started. From inside my demo account, we will create a couple graphics and then we're going to add them to a blog. Now, let me tell you that this real-time update happens like this. Whether you have a landing page builder that has a direct integration with ClickDesigns or Groove Designer Pro. I'm going to show you that in action with Groove, and then also a plugin for WordPress. So I'll show you that in action, and potentially, if we have time, some other ones too. So follow along with what I'm about to say. So it's going to be a little bit confusing, but I want to make sure that you're clear of what we're doing here. So imagine this. Imagine you have a team of designers that are inside your ClickDesigns account creating tons of stuff. They are not web designers. Maybe you have another person who's a web designer. So what's great about this real-time update is that the web designer does not ever have to log in to ClickDesigns. They can access the graphics from inside that landing page builder or that WordPress instance using a plugin, or even the Chrome extension if you don't have anything integrated. So your designer can design graphics inside of your account, whether it's ClickDesigns or Groove Designer Pro or another white label version. They can create all the stuff in here. Then what happens is, because they've created it here, the person who is doing your web design stuff, whether that's you or a team member, they can just use the plugin, the integration, or the Chrome extension to grab those graphics that they need. So I'm going to show you that in action. And then the second step of this is that, say you want to make a change to the graphic inside of here. You can create it inside of ClickDesigns. You can make changes and then you publish it to your funnel pages or your websites and things like that, right? And then say you want to change the wording. Okay, you can go in to ClickDesigns, have your designer change the wording, and then your web designer can just pull that same graphic right in from there. So it's real-time updates. It's a very hard concept to follow, but I hope you're going to see it in action and understand. So let's make something right now. Let's click on templates, and we're going to go over here to thumbnails, because I'm going to create something inside of my blog for you, and I'm going to use this as an example. So if I click on, you want to see this one or this one, they all look, I love these, and I use these all of the time. So say I want to use this one right here. So let's just go ahead and click on the pencil, and I like this guy. He is perfect. I'm gonna make him, maybe push him over here a little bit like this. Oh, we have two of them. So what I want to do here is, I'm gonna see what we're dealing with here. So we've got two of these guys, and I think because there's an outline, I'm just going to take off one, and I want to make this background a little bit darker. So I'm going to click on a background or shape, add a box here, and then I'm going to make it black like this. And then what we'll do is we're going to change the opacity right here. So see how it makes it just a little bit darker, because we're going to use that in a minute. And then what I want to do is I want to pull this down so that it's not hiding all the stuff. So you kind of get the idea. Let's see. See, we can go all the way down here. Perfect. Maybe one more. No, let's go up. Okay, perfect. That's awesome. And then we're going to move him back here. I'm actually going to flip him. I want him to be facing the opposite way. There we go. So he's a little more engaging. Okay, so we have this. And then I'm going to change this out. And I'm going to say, what is something that is very popular? How about air fryers? You guys like air fryers? Okay, so we're going to put top 10 as air fryers, and you'll see why in a minute. All right, and then I'm going to delete this out. Okay, click on this, delete. Okay, and I'm going to put top 10 air fryers in 2024. How about that? Okay, and then we're going to move this down. Just take out in. Keep it 2024, move this like this, push this down, and you're going to see why in a minute, because I'm going to add some air fryers, I think, if we can find some. Okay, I'm just trying to get it perfect. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect, but you guys know normally I would take the time, and what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to click on image, we're going to click on search, and then I'm going to type in air fryer. And load more. Oh, there's not that many air fryers. Let's see if there's any over here in pixels. Air fryer. Or unsplash. Air fryer. Not that many. Oh, here's one. This looks like an air fryer. Not that many air fryers, so let me rethink this. Let's find something that would be in the kitchen. How about pan? Okay, there we go. Pots and pans. What about blender? Okay, so let's use blender instead. So let's go over here, and we're gonna just pick some blenders out here and maybe make them a little smaller. We're just going to add some fun stuff here to blender. Let's go back to image and then click on this blender. That one, maybe one more. Blender. This one. Let's see, let's try one more. Oh, this one's cute. Okay, red. Perfect. Okay, so we've got a black one right here. We've got a red one right there. And then another red one. So let's move that down. Like that. That's pretty good, right? And then move this one down. that one down here. There we go. Okay, so top 10, let's just say blenders here. Blenders. Okay, so we've created our graphic, right? Okay, so this is going to be our graphic that we're going to use. We're going to click on save. Now, as a designer, you're designing it inside of ClickDesigns. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to open a website. So I'm going to open Groove over here. Pull this over. Okay, so this is my Groove account. This is one of the websites that I have. I'm just going to create a page that we can use here. So how about this one right here? Or maybe do we want to do an e-com one? I'm not sure if I can find an e-com. Let's see here. Okay, that's perfect. Let's do this one. So we'll click this page, import full template. And once it's in there, let's go ahead and just make sure this is a live page. So I'm going to click on this, click edit settings. I'm just going to put Blender demo. And this is Blender demo. I'm not going to go do all the bells and whistles, but you understand I'm just making this live. So it's right here. And then what we'll do is we'll click on publish current page. All right, there it is. Okay, so this is what we're going to be using right here really quickly. And now I'm going to click on this image right here. I am going to click on configure, and we're going to go and find the one I just made. So if I click on ClickDesigns right here, now if you have Groove Designer Pro, it would be in this tab. Click on ClickDesigns, and then there it is. See how my developer, my web designer, never had to go into ClickDesigns, but my designer in ClickDesigns can create a bunch of graphics, and then my developer can come in here and click on ClickDesigns and add it here, right? So update and close. There it is. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and publish that page very easily. Okay, and then if we click on refresh, there it is. Okay, this is a live page. It's out there live. Okay, so that is it. Now what I want to do is I want to go to WordPress. Let me find my WordPress instance. Now what I want to do is I'm going to go over here to my WordPress, and we're going to create a new blog post here. I'm going to write top 10 blenders on Amazon to buy in 2024. How about that? And I can change that later. And then what I want to do is over here on the right, I can go down here and I can add kitchen. Let's see, kitchen, and go ahead and select those categories down here. I can type in blender, kitchen, appliance, and then down here I can add the set image. So if I wanted this featured image, I can go up here and click on ClickDesigns, and there it is. Click use, and here it is. And then we can, you know, add the alt text. So if I wanted to say top 10 blenders, and then just hit set image. So that'll be the featured image, and then I can go down here and I can click featured post if I want that. So that's what I would do there. Now, then I would come over here and I always click save. So save. I'm going to change the author to myself. And then up here, I can now click use default editor. Click a block, and I can put an image here. So if I wanted to, I can click upload image, go to media library, and here, ClickDesigns, right? We've already done this, so I can just click on that one, click select, and there it is, right? Pretty cool. And if I come down here and I want to add another block, so let's get out of here, add another block, and then maybe a paragraph real quick. I'm doing this how I normally do it, and I would have something I've already looked up in AI. So check out this list of top 10 blenders to get on Amazon in 2024, and then colon, and then we can hit enter, and then we can add another block. And then what I want to do is I'm going to look up the best sellers. So I'm going to click best sellers. This is a plugin if you're an Amazon influencer. And then on the right here, I'm going to click blenders. So, and then it's going to come up blenders. There we have it. Pretty cool, right? And if I do list, I can say 10, and there we have it. Pretty cool. I'm going to click on save and then publish. And then I will go ahead and click on view post. And there we have it. That's pretty good, right? Now I don't need this. They're redundant, so I can take this one out, but you kind of get the idea if you wanted to do that, right? So now what we're going to do is I'm going to go into another platform to show you another opportunity to use this. So let me do that right now. Let's use HighLevel, and we're inside one of my demo accounts in HighLevel, and this is a white label version, but we can go over here to sites and we'll be able to build a site. Now, before we do that, we need to integrate it with ClickDesigns. And so what we'll do is go up here to dashboard, and this is my account for my ClickDesigns. Click on your profile picture on the top right corner, click on settings, and then you'll click on apps, and you will see HighLevel over on the right side. When you click that, now we can connect account. Make sure you're already logged in to GoHighLevel in order for this to work. This is going to search by name. Now there's a lot in here, so I'm going to hide the one so you can't see, but that's the one I'm going to connect right now. And there you go. It should be connected, and it'll give you a little bit of an indication of how long it's going to take. So let's let that go ahead and run. All right, once it's done, there it is. So it is connected now. So now I'm going to go ahead and close this. We are connected. I'm going to go back to my HighLevel, and we are going to go to sites. I'm going to click refresh just to make sure. All right, I'm back here. So I'm going to click on sites, and we're going to click a new one. I'm going to click a demo, real time ClickDesigns. And actually, I'm going to go ahead and click on from templates and click continue. Let's go in here and select one that we like. How about something in the, I'm looking for a category here, or I'll just look over here. Let's find something that looks kind of good. This one's not bad. I want a simple image at the top that I can change out. Let's see, keep going. I'm going to use this one right here. Click on that, continue, and here we are. So I'm going to click on this to edit it. And then here we have it. Now I'm just going to add an image right down here. So what I'll do is I will click this element plus sign, and we will go look for an image. And there's our image. I'm going to click the image, hit the little gear here. Oh, it's on the right. And then right here under image options, click this little button here to open up our stuff. Now, if you can notice, there is a new folder right here that wasn't there before. If I click ClickDesigns, these are all the designs that I create inside of ClickDesigns. Now, I did not create the demo that we were doing with the blenders, right? So I'm going to go ahead and add maybe something else. I'll add this one right here and click upload. This is my personal account, so this will be a little bit different than my image account. Pretty cool, not bad, right? Cool. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and hit save, and we can publish it, or we can just click this little eyeball. So you guys get the idea. Like, there's so many things you can do with all of the landing page builders. And we'll scroll down, and there I am there. Okay, so now we're gonna get to what I'm calling real time. And I just wanna, before I get into the real time of how to make changes without having to go and back and forth between. You can have multiple people, say a VA doing your website and another VA doing your design. They never have to ever log into each other's stuff. So the graphic designer never has to log into the landing page builder. They never have to log into HighLevel or WordPress or Groove, nothing like that. And then the web designer never has to log into ClickDesigns because they're not creating the graphics, they're only working on the thing. So what's great about integrating with ClickDesigns or Groove Designer Pro, that will happen. Now, I want to note one more thing. Now, if you have a landing page builder that you use, and right now there's no integration with an API key to ClickDesigns, or it's not a plugin like it is with WordPress, then what you can do is you can download the Chrome extension. And how you would do that is you would go to your dashboard here, and right here there is a Chrome extension right here, the green bar. Okay, so you click that and then it'll pop up right here. What's great is that no matter what page you're on, you'll be able to add your API key to your Chrome extension here, and it adds all of your files right there. So again, this could work the same exact way. So I wanted to point that out. Now let's get back into my demo account. Let's go right here and right here. One more. Okay, so now we're inside of ClickDesigns. Now, what if we wanted to change this? Maybe I want him like this to be a different color. So why don't we make it the color of this red? And we can use the eyedropper, which is my favorite thing. Click on that and then paste it right there. So now it's red, right? And maybe we wanted to move this down because it wasn't right. Centered these. So you can update these all you want. Move that right here. And maybe I want the top 10 to also be in red. So just click that and paste that code again, and there it is. Okay, so it's a little off center. Let's kind of center it there. There we go. Now maybe I don't want him, so let's just delete him. Let's go over to image, and we can create an image using AI, which is really cool. Or we can say chef, or we can say mom, and we can look for mom. Now what's cool is that there are cutouts. So you see the cutouts right here? Click on cutouts, and now we can look for mom. Okay, let's look for woman. And then we can look and see there's tons of cutouts right here. So maybe let's look for kind of a mom looking person, and this one right here looks pretty good, or this one right here. And then we can make her smaller, and let's flip her by using this right here, flip horizontally, and that looks pretty good if I say so myself. So see how easy it is? Are you guys liking this a lot? Yeah, I think so too. It's pretty cool. So let's do. Okay, so now we can click save. That's it. All we do is hit save. Now let's go back to Groove. Let's see here. Let's go into I think this one is Groove. Yep. Here we are. Let's reload. And we'll go back to the page. Right here. And now we want to replace this with the updated one. So again, I know that I'm in both, but you can have multiple people working on different things, and it will update it in real time. So all you have to do is click on configure, click on choose, go right back to that folder, and boom, there it is. Are you guys getting this? How cool that is? It updates it in real time. Like I just made it, and then the designer here can actually grab that really quickly. That is so powerful. Click save. We'll click publish here, current page, and then let's go here and hit, and there it is. Okay, that changed it right away. Very, very quickly. Okay, so let's get out of that one. Let's go next. Let's go to my WordPress site, and we're going to do the same thing. So maybe I'm going to keep this guy here, and that'll be pretty cool, but I want to change this featured image. All I do is click edit post and go over here to the featured image. It'll pop up in a minute. There it is. Click replace. Go back to my ClickDesigns folder. There it is, use. You guys see how easy that was? It's real time. That is amazing. And there it is. We can click on that and click set featured. There it is, and go ahead and update. Now let's go view that. And look at that. Top 10 blenders. This is on my WordPress blog. There's the updated one that updated in real time. We have the one that was the original. We have all of my blenders here, and I can click on check price. People can be teleported over to my Amazon site where they can purchase, and I will make a commission because I'm an affiliate for Amazon. That's pretty cool, right? And you can see how I use ClickDesigns to make all of these amazing banners. So that's that. Now let's go over to HighLevel now and go here and click on HighLevel. So again, here's our page, right? So let's go into my dashboard. Let's look for my design. So you guys are seeing the inside of my account here. And I can go down here and I can click on this. I'm going to edit it because I don't want to mess up what I have. But if I wanted to click this, click edit. All right, so maybe I don't want these to be that color. So maybe I want them to be non-gradient. So let's go ahead and take away the gradient color here. And let's make them a fun red. How about red? Like this. Does that say girl? Let's see. Yeah, okay. And then make that one red as well. Like that. Let's make sure they're the right colors here. So what I do is I just copy this out, click on this one, and paste it. And then if I want the shadow to be that color, I can do this. Okay, so there it is, red, right? Let's just hit save. Okay. Now let's go to Springboard. So here is the one, here's the page, there I am right there. Click on this. Now we're going to go ahead and change this out by going to image options, clicking that little media folder, click on ClickDesigns, and there I am. Click that, just double click on the image, and there it is. Save and publish and refresh. Okay. Did you guys get that? So I could make these changes to the same graphic and instantly they're in the folder in my landing page builder. That is mesmerizing. It is mind-blowing. And I want you guys to go and try that. Remember, WordPress has a plugin. HighLevel has an integration. There are other integrations as well. There's also the Chrome extension. So there's lots of different options. Now, if you need some help with this, there are lots of videos on the ClickDesigns YouTube channel. Just go search and you'll be able to see maybe your landing page builder. You can search in the keywords for the landing page builder of your choice. And remember, if you don't see an integration, don't worry. Use this little icon right here, and this will be the Chrome extension. So I hope you guys like that. I could go on for days with this because I actually have access to a lot of different builders, and I could do a deeper training in the future, but I just wanted to show you how quickly you can make changes and then it goes live on your web pages by just a click of a button. So cool. I hope that was informative. I hope you guys try it out, and I can't wait to see you guys on the next training. I'm going to close us out here. What did you guys think? Wasn't that pretty cool? Yes. I just love it. And I can't wait to use it time and time again. I have some blogs and some web pages and some affiliate bridge pages that I would love to add that to. And knowing that I can just change the design inside of ClickDesigns and it makes it live right there in real time. Wow, my mind is blown. So this to me is one of the little more advanced features, but I'm telling you, it's really powerful. Did you guys love that? Yeah, me too. I loved it too. And if you guys want to see more things like this, the little ninja stuff, let me know, because there are a little more advanced features, but that you can do no matter who you are, because ClickDesigns has made it really easy. So if you guys like that, great. I want to see who's going to try this out. Because if you're going to try this out, I would love to see your results, see if you're able to accomplish this, and if this training helped you. Yeah, okay, good. I have some action takers, and you guys know I love action takers. So guys, thank you so much for having me today. My name is Angie Norris. I'm a power user just like you guys, and I just want to show you some of the features and benefits and awesomeness of ClickDesigns, and that's why I go live every Monday to help you guys kind of make sure that you can see, because there's so many capabilities of ClickDesigns, and so I want to go through and give you a tour of new things that are coming out, or new capabilities, or brand new graphics. And so I hope you guys enjoyed today's training. Thank you for being here. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week and an even better weekend. I will see you next Monday live, and I hope you guys enjoy